Hi, in this session, I will explain how we write using simple if. Okay, so in this example, based on discount, okay, default value for discount is 0. If cost item greater or equal 100 ringgit, so we will get 10% discount. So how we write C program, okay, to cater this problem. At the same time, we use simple if. How we change default value discount equal to 0 to discount equal to 10. So we assume, okay, uh, we will get 10% discount if cost item greater or equal 100 ringgit. Okay, to start this example, to start this program, so we start with frame our program. Okay, hash include stdio.h, okay, standard input output, and then integer main, okay, open and close parenthesis, and then followed by open and close curly bracket. Okay, and then okay, this template or this frame, okay, before we continue our next line, next code, so we run our program first, okay, to make sure that there is no error. So make sure we save our file. Okay, so for example, okay, you can put any name, but make sure there is no spacebar, okay, for name this file. Okay, okay, what we get here, okay, there is no error. Okay, now, so we need to decide what variable that can be used, okay, what variable that we need to use in our program. So uh, first variable is a discount. Okay, by default we put discount equal to 0, and then variable cost item, okay, cost item, and then last is a total cost. Total cost is that net cost, okay, that we need to pay. Okay, so all this variable, okay, must be float data type, okay, because there are floating point, there are decimal point in our output. So data type for our variable is a float, okay, float, and then cost item, okay, cost item, variable cost, and then variable total cost, okay, net price, okay, after discount, okay, total cost is a variable that um, we display, okay, for net price, okay, for cost that we need to pay. And then last is a variable discount. By default, uh, this variable discount, okay, we initialize to equal to 0. Okay, so far there are three variables that we use in this program. Okay, next. Okay, so before we key in our any value, okay, make sure we pop up message that will ask user to enter value. So printf, okay, so we put a message, please enter item cost. Okay, so we will pop up this message, okay, so that user will know what value should be key in from keyboard. Okay, so far we add, okay, 2 line, okay, in our program. So make sure we run, okay, each time we add some code, we need to run, okay, to make sure that there is no error, no syntax error in our program. So far okay, there is no error. And then we can display, okay, a message, okay, please enter item cost. So far there is no blinking here, meaning that there is no input can be entered, okay, in this so far. Okay, so next, okay, we put scanf. Scanf is a keyword that we read, okay, value from keyboard. So scanf uh, for this example, okay, we will read value cost, okay, we will enter value cost, item cost, okay, how much cost. So this variable is float, so we put %f. %f is for float, and then variable is cost, okay, and then don't forget to put %, symbol. So after we read from value from keyboard, and then we put this value, okay, in a memory address, okay. So every variable has their own memory address, so we need to put %, symbol, okay, for scanf. And then next, okay, to make sure that our program, our variable is correct, so we display again, we display value cost that we entered just now. Okay, so we print, okay, print, okay, this variable. So we put uh, item cost, okay, so item cost, okay, how much ringgit. So this is a variable, float variable, so we put percent f, okay, and then, okay, this percent f, okay, this format will refer to variable cost, okay, variable cost, okay. So scanf, we use variable cost, and then we display value, okay, from variable cost, okay, and then we run, okay, make sure we run, okay, please enter item cost. For example, our item, okay, is 150 ringgit. Okay, so we can see output here, item cost, okay, item cost RM 150 ringgit. So in this output, okay, so we need to format, okay, to make sure that there are only 2 decimal point. So we need to, okay, put formatting here, okay. So we put percent dot 2f, okay. Dot 2f means that in this output there are 2 decimal point. All right, next. So based on value cost, okay, we want to change value discount. For example, in this example, if cost greater or equal 100 ringgit, so we give or we get 10% discount. So discount by default is 0, so we want to change this value, okay, from 0 to 10% discount. So we use simple if for this example. So if, and then this is a test condition, okay. So this, in this test condition, okay, we we test, is it value cost, okay, greater or equal 100. If this condition is true, so we change value discount, okay, from 0 to 10. Okay, so far, okay, okay, after we put this if statement, we need to display value total cost based on value item cost, okay, and then we calculate total cost, okay. If we get discount 10%, so we will get so our value total cost is a net price that this value, uh, net price value that we need to pay, okay. So we need to calculate, okay, value total cost, okay. TC is for total cost. So total cost, okay, equal cost, okay, minus, okay, this discount value, okay, okay. Cost is like a gross, okay, gross pay, and then TC is a net price, okay. So we need to put a formula here. So formula in this equation, okay, cost minus, okay, minus okay, discount 10%, so 100 will minus discount, okay, discount if discount equal to 10, but we don't know, okay, if our item cost less than 100, we will not get 10%, so we only get 0%. That's why we use variable discount, because we don't know, okay, value discount can be 0 or value discount can be 10. So 100 minus 10, and then divide, okay, divide by 100. Okay, sorry, cost, okay, cost, okay, multiply, okay, okay. For example, we get 10%, so we get 10%, meaning that cost will multiply with 90, okay, 90, okay, divide by 100. So cost, okay, in this case, okay, cost multiply 0.9, okay, because of 10% discount, so we multiply cost multiply 0.9, okay. So now we can display um, value total cost, okay. Before we write or we add another line, we just compile to make sure that there is no error. Okay, so far no error, so we can continue. Okay, so we display value total cost, okay. So printf, okay, so total cost, total cost, okay. So our total cost, okay, is okay, we put symbol RM, okay, how much ringgit we need to pay, okay, and then percent dot 2f, okay, and then okay, So this format, okay, will refer to variable total cost, TC. TC is for total cost. Okay, so we run this program. So please enter item cost. So for example, 100 ringgit. Okay, 100 ringgit. So in this example, okay, if item cost greater or equal 100 ringgit, so we will get 10% discount. So after 10 discount less, so we need to pay only 90 ringgit. So we enter. Okay, so output. So we check the output. So item cost is 100 ringgit. Okay, yes. And then total cost that we need to pay is 90 ringgit. Okay, so we want to separate this output. Okay, we put \n to make sure that this output in a new line. Okay, at a new line. So we modify our code. Okay, so in this printf, okay, we put \n. \n is a new line. Okay, right, we run again. Item cost. Okay, for example, our item cost is 150. 150, so we get 10%. Okay, so we get 10% less, and then how much ringgit we need to pay. Okay, so 10% is a 50 ringgit. Okay, 10% is 50 ringgit. So 150 minus 15, okay, minus 15, so we will get 135 ringgit. All right. So this is an example, okay, how we use a simple if. Okay, in this line 9, okay, this statement, this if statement is a simple if where we just uh, change, okay, certain value variable. For example, this is a discount. Okay, by default it's a 0. We change to 10. Okay, so finish for our this example.